Hello friends, welcome to another session of mathematics. We will cover in this session the arithmetic progression. So firstly, what do you mean by a arithmetic progression? It is a list of numbers in which each time is obtained by a fixed number to the preceding number, and D there is known as the common difference. The general form of arithmetic progression is a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, a plus 4d, a plus 5d, and dot 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 etc. Here I have taken an example 1, 5, 9, 13. That is 1 is a, that is the first term. 5, here a plus d means here common difference there will be 4 plus 4, and 9 a plus 2d, that is 1 plus 2 into 4, that is equals to 9. Then 13 a plus 3d, that is a, that is 1 plus 3 into 4, that is 12. 1 plus 12, that is equals to 30. And then I have taken a question for you. The taxi fare for the first kilometer be 15 rupees and 8 rupees for the additional kilometer. Find the AP. So the taxi fare of the first kilometer be 15 rupees, and then another, and the additional kilometer for that will be 8 rupees. So general form of AP, we know that a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, a plus 4d dot dot dot. So 15, 23, 31, 39, 47, like that. A, that is equals to 15, a plus d, that is 15 plus 8 is equals to 23, a plus 2d, that is 15 plus 8 into 2, that is 15 plus 16 is equals to 31, and so on. Here a is equals to 15 and d is equals to 8. And next question, find the first 4 times of an AP. Here a is equals to 10 and d is equals to 5. The general form of AP, we know that a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, and so on. So a is equals to 10. That is the first term. A plus d, that is 15 plus 5 means plus 5, that is 20 plus 5, then 25, like that. Then we have to study the nth term of an AP. When we have to find this term, we will apply this given formula, that is a plus a n is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, or we will do like a plus d, a n is equals to a plus d, we can also do. So here a 7, d is equals to 3, n is equals to 8, and an is equals to n. Firstly, we will describe these terms. That is an, that is the nth term. A, that is first term. Nth term, n is equals to term. D, that is known as common difference. We will do then question. Here we have to find the nth term, that is an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula. So an is equals to a, the value of a is equals to 7, n minus 1, n is equals to 8, so 8 minus 1 be 7, and d, the value of d is equals to 3, so 7 plus 7 into 3, that is equals to 7 plus 21, that is equals to 28. Then a is equals to 18, n is equals to 10, and an is equals to 0. We have to find the d. So here an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, that is the formula. For the formula you will get the 1 mark. Okay, so write this formula in your paper. So an is equals to 0. We know that a is equals to minus 18, n minus 1, that is 10 minus 1 equals to 9, and we have to find the value of d. So minus 18 plus 90. So minus 18 go on to another side, b plus 18 is equals to 90. So d is equals to 18 upon 9, that is equals to 2. Then the next question we have to find in this question, 11th term. So a plus 10d, we can use this formula, or we can use an formula also. So a11, that is 10 plus 11 minus 1 into minus 3. So 10 plus 10 into minus 3, that is 10 plus minus 30, that is equals to minus 20. Then friends, next question. In this question we have to find the how many terms in an AP. So we have given the first term as A3 is equals to 4 and A9 is equals to minus 8. So we have to find here A, D and N. Okay. So here A3 is equals to A plus 2D, that is equals to 4. Then A plus 8D, that is equals to minus 8. So subtract the second equation from first equation, that is A and A cancel, and 8D minus 2D, that is equals to 6D, and minus 8 and minus 4, that is equals to, here is plus 4, when we go to that side we will get minus 4, that is minus 4 and minus 8 equals to minus 12, that is minus 12 is equals to 60 and D is equals to minus 2. So we will put here the value of D, that is minus 2, in this equation. A plus 2D is equals to 4. So A plus minus 4, that is equals to 4. Then we will get the value of A as 8. Then put here to find the nth term of an AP. So an, that is A plus n minus 1 into D. So an is equals to 0. We know that. So A is equals to 8 and n minus 1 we have to find it out, and D is equals to minus 2, and here 8 minus 2n plus 2. So 8 plus 2, that is 10, and minus 2n. So n is equals to 10 upon 2, that is equals to 5. So the fifth term of an AP be 0. Then next question, how many 3 digits numbers will be divisible by 7? That is 105, 112, 117. To 994, we have given an AP. So an, that is A plus n minus 1 into D. So an is equals to 994, that is equals to 105 plus n minus 1 into D is equals to 7. So 994 minus 105, that is equals to 889, that is equals to 7n minus 7. So 889 plus 7 is equals to 896 is equals to 7n. So n is equals to 896 upon 7 is equals to 128th term of an AP be in the 3 digit numbers divisible by 7. Then we will start the next topic, sum of the n terms of an AP. So the formula for the n terms of an AP be Sn is equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into D. 1 minute. Here, this is the formula. Sn is equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into D. And here we have taken an example 2, 7, 12. We have to find the sum of the 10 terms. That is S10 is equals to 10 by 2, 2 into 2 plus n into n minus 1 into D. That n minus 1, that is 10 minus 1, that is 9 into 5. That is 45. 2 2s are 4. That is 4 plus 45, that is 49. And 10 by 2, that is 5. So 5 into 49, that is equal to 245. And here we will get the next question, which term of an AP be the first negative term. We have given an AP 121, 117 and 113. So an is less than 0, that is a plus n minus 1 into D. We have put it here. So 121 plus n minus 1 into minus 4. So minus 121 minus 4n plus 4. So 121 plus 4, that is 125 minus 4n. So n is equals to 125 upon 4. That will gives us 31.2. That is equals to 32nd term. And by that we have completed our chapter, the arithmetic progression. And so please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching. Regards, Amit Jain tutorial. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.